Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a refreshing vegetable juice that will give your skin a healthy glow. This juice is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that are amazing for your skin. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 carrots, 2 celery stalks, 1 apple, 1 to 2 cup pineapple chunks, 1 orange, a small piece of ginger about an inch, and half a lemon. Carrots are high in beta-carotene and antioxidants, which improve skin health and glow. Celery is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, which are beneficial for skin health. Apples contain antioxidants and vitamins that promote clear and glowing skin. Pineapple is rich in vitamin C and bromelain, which help in reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy complexion. Oranges are high in vitamin C, which boosts collagen production and helps in brightening the skin. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that help with acne and promote even skin tone. And lemon is high in vitamin C, helping with detoxification and brightening the skin. First, make sure to wash all your ingredients thoroughly. Clean ingredients are key to a healthy juice. Next, peel the carrots, orange, and pineapple if they're not organic, and chop everything into pieces that will fit into your juice extractor. Don't forget to cut a small piece of ginger too. Now, set up your juice extractor machine and make sure it's ready to go. Feed the carrots, celery, apple, pineapple chunks, orange, and ginger into your juice extractor. This combination is not only tasty, but also incredibly nutritious. Once your juice is ready, squeeze the juice of half a lemon into it. Lemon is high in vitamin C, which is great for detoxifying and brightening your skin. If you prefer a thinner consistency, you can add a cup of water. Give it a good stir. And there you have it. A delicious, refreshing vegetable juice that will help give your skin a beautiful, healthy glow. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Drink this juice regularly and you'll see the difference in your skin. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Thanks for watching. Cheers to glowing skin!